Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have absolutely no idea if you can hear me or not, but we are currently sitting on the Licking River. We are doing some kayaking. Chandler and Rosalind and then Laura are up there. I'm staying toward the back because I'm also doing some fishing. So far I've caught one little white bass. I haven't really caught anything else other than that. Haven't had a couple of bites, but I'm just throwing ultralight with a neon colored rooster tail. So anyway, we're gonna continue kayaking. I'm gonna probably throw on the GoPro and keep fishing. So wish me luck. All right, well, I lost the bait, so I am going to turn you off and save the battery while I'm tying on a new one. See you in a minute.
Nice.
Oh, it is pretty. It is so solid. You better release silver. It's silver. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's like, yeah, it's like that. He's trying to get air. He's turning the fish sticks. I think he's trying to go back in the water.
Hold on. Hold it up with the mouth.
I can't.
There's
a hook in it.
Are you going to take it off?
I gotta get the pliers.
Okay, we'll put him back in the water so he can breathe a little bit.
Free the fish. Free the fish.
Free the fish.
It's really shiny. I don't know what this is. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends, not food.
Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Free the fish. Free the fish. Free the fish.
Okay, y'all, I'm trying to free the fish.
Come on, little buddy. Free the fish. 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 I thought you wanted to eat the fish. Hang in there, little buddy. We're trying to get you free.
I haven't eaten in a week.
Fish are friends, not food, right? What's that from? Shark Tale? I think that's Shark Tale.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all know.
Just hang in there.
You're all.
Hang in there.
Watch out, guys. It's
Sweetest
sharp.
thing.
Watch out. Lacey, back up. Back up.
He says jump.
Oh, nice.
Blue, go.
Oh.
Free the fish.
All right, I'm gonna let him go.
All right.
The fish is like, I don't know why people.
I don't know what that is. Take a picture. Let's see what his mouth looks like.
Hey, stop torturing him. Let him go. The fish is like, please free the fish. That's funny.
He's slimy, huh?
All right, I'll let him go.
I want to touch it. I want to touch it too. It's so slimy. Free the fish. Okay.
Chandler, did you want to touch the fish?
Free
Fish in the boat.
Free the fish. Imagine.
You could probably swim in there as much water you have, though.
All right, I'll let him go.
All right.
In the boat.
Fly, be free, fishy.
There it goes.
Red line.
Woo!
We are here. What's your drink?
Rosalind, watch out.
Cheers.
Let me in.
I don't know if that's a largie or.
I got muscle.
Grab on the top.
Mm.
There we go.
largie or a spot?
Or whoever it was. It was my mom, and she's over there.
2-0?
I have an idea.
2-0.
Now we are back in the water. Ah, that's so cool.
No, that's 3-1.
Push me. 3-1. Oh, yeah.
Nice. Hold on. Let me zoom in.
I got muscle.
What's that one? Smallmouth?
I can't. It's not a smallmouth. It's either a largie or a Kentucky spotted. I don't know. I'll find out here in just a second. That is a spotted bass. How do I know?
Tiny.
You close the mouth. This little corner
Yeah.
is in front of the eyeball. If it was behind the eyeball, it'd be a largemouth bass.
Oh. So it's a smallmouth?
Tiny.
No, this
That's
is
very
spotted.
tiny.
How do you know if it's spotted or smallmouth?
Look at that.
Smallmouth would be
Look
brown.
at that.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, you caught another one? Can I touch it? Did you catch another?
Yep.
So, oh my god. It's slimy and there's dirt on it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
You want some fish sticks?
Wash your hand up.
Okay.
Another one of those fish, just like the first one.
No, I like it. Oh,
I wish I knew what this was. Whatever it is, it fights like a amazing.
You got a fish.
Oh, that's a big one.
Tell me, somebody on, hey, YouTube friends, tell me what that is. And by the way, Katie, you always say I never go fishing.
I'm swimming away.
I think that looks like a
Chandler, did you seriously just move me?
No.
Ooh, it looks like the same fish.
Chandler,
Hold on, watch out.
back
guys.
up.
Guys. Lacey, back up. Back up. Back up.
What?
I'm going to poke it.
Step on my fish.
It is a lot. Creepy. It's creeping me out. Yeah, that's their blood around his mouth. Did you see him go like? No.
You're going to have to come over here. I'm swimming away.
Yeah, I see.
Floating away.
I'm so scared, buddy.
All right.
I'm scared of that.
That's a
Who can tell me what kind of fish this is? Seriously.
spotted one?
No, I don't know what this is.
What's got spots on
Drum, some sort of white fish. I don't know.
it?
I'm bringing you in.
It's a fish.
All right, let him go.
Good job.
Yeah.
I think it might be a drum, judging from the
That
weird
one's brown.
sensation I just felt. All right, here he goes, guys.
That's it.
There he goes. Woo! That's 4. I like that spot. I'm gonna stay here. Again, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but that was an eventful stop. 3 fish. I ain't complaining. All right, we're heading out. All right, everybody. Well, that was an amazingly eventful trip. We had an absolute blast going down the river, and I was using this as an opportunity to see how easy it was and how effective it could be to actually fish from a kayak, and I found out it's not that hard. It works pretty well. It can be a little bit difficult to kind of keep yourself situated and positioned where you want to be, but it worked out super well. I ended up catching a total of 4 fish, 3 of which at that one spot that we stopped. Pretty sure that fish that I caught was a drum or a sheep's head, depending on who you're kind of talking to. I don't know. If I'm wrong, I am more than willing to admit that. That being said, leave it in the comments if you think I'm right or if you think it's something else. Either way, let me know. I'd be very interested. That fish fought like crazy, so I would not mind at all catching some more of those at some point. But that being said, that is going to do it for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoyed making it. But you guys have an absolutely wonderful rest of your day. If you're getting ready to go to bed, you have a good night's sleep, and I will see you on the next one.